Good morning, my dear student. Today we have to discuss on the second phase of aerobic respiration, Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. Or TCA cycle. Or citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle. In last class, we had discussed on the glycolysis process. In glycolysis, glucose molecule is broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. In the glycolysis, 2 ATP, net gain 2 ATP molecules and 2 NADH2 as byproduct. Now after glycolysis, next process is Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. Before Krebs cycle, there is a link present between the glycolysis and Krebs cycle is called acetylation. Acetylation. Acetylation means pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid, 3 carbon compound is converted into 2 molecule converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A, 2 carbon compound. By the process of oxidative decarboxylation, conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme A in the presence of NAD coenzyme reduced into NADH2 by releasing carbon dioxide, CO2. So here what happened? Before Krebs cycle, before TCA cycle, pyruvic acid converted into acetyl coenzyme A, 2 carbon compound. Here decarboxylation process occur, simultaneously what happened? Oxidation also takes place. So it is known as oxidative decarboxylation. During oxidation, carbon dioxide is also released. During oxidation, oxidation means removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide also released. So oxidative decarboxylation process takes place during conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme A is known as acetylation. This process is known as acetylation. Process is known as acetylation. Conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme A. by oxidative decarboxylation. Here NAD reduced to NADH2 and one of the carbon dioxide is released when one pyruvic acid undergo acetylation process. So this acetylation process is connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. इसमें क्या है, एसिटाइलेशन प्रोसेस, ये जो है ये दोनों के लिंक लगाने वाली प्रोसेस है, दोनों की लिंक लगाने वाली प्रोसेस है, ग्लाइकोलाइसिस और Krebs cycle. Now here what happened, after the acetylation, this coenzyme A, acetyl coenzyme A, enter into the stroma where one of the most important compound is present, which is known as oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid, OAA. It is also known as oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetic acid is also known as oxaloacetate, and it is 4 carbon compound already present in the stroma of the mitochondrium. So Krebs cycle is occur in the stroma of mitochondrium. Krebs cycle takes place in the stroma of the mitochondria, and glycolysis takes place outside the mitochondria. In the stroma, there is a most important compound, oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon compound, react with the oxaloacetic acid. In the presence of water, H2O, and this process undergo condensation process. Oxaloacetic acid react with the acetyl coenzyme A, and first compound, stable compound is formed, which is known as citric acid. Citric acid, or it is also known as citrate. It is also known as citrate, and this process is condensation process. Here what happened? The water molecule is utilized, and oxaloacetic acid react with the acetyl coenzyme A by releasing the coenzyme A for further reaction. ये जो कोएंजाइम A है वो कोएंजाइम रिलीज होते हैं, and acetyl compound, 2 carbon compound react with the 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. This is the 4 carbon compound, and this one is the 2 carbon compound. 2 carbon compound and 4 carbon compound react to form 6 carbon compound, which is known as citric acid. ये कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस है, और ये कौन सी प्रोसेस है? एसिटाइलेशन, ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन takes place in the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme, pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. Whenever hydrogen released, which is in which dehydrogenase enzymes is involved, and the reaction is catalyzed in the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. Oxidation process. Now here what happened? Condensation process occur when the reaction takes place between the acetyl coenzyme A and oxaloacetic acid. Coenzyme released and 6 carbon compound is formed. After formation of 6 carbon compound, this undergo hydration, dehydration and hydration. Hydration, dehydration and hydration. Dehydration and hydration. Now here what happened? When the dehydration takes place, this compound converted into cis aconitic acid. Cis cis-aconitic acid or cis-aconitate. Cis-aconitate. The compound is also known as cis-aconitate or cis-aconitic acid due to dehydration. And what happened here? Cis-aconitic acid again undergo conversion into isomerase. The compound citric acid converted into isocitric acid. Isocitric acid. So here what happened? There is no removal of carbon dioxide. Only isomerization process takes place. Up to this process what happened? आइसोमराइजेशन प्रोसेस. ये जो प्रोसेस है इसको कहेंगे आइसोमराइजेशन. Isomerization process takes place by dehydration and hydration in the presence of cis-citrate dehydrogenase enzyme or isomerase enzyme. Here what happened? Water molecule first removal and addition takes place. So isomerization process takes place and citric acid converted into isocitric acid. It is also 6 carbon compound. This is also 6 carbon compound. Now here what happened? After isocitric acid formation, it undergo oxidation. Oxidation process. Oxidation means removal of hydrogen. Here removal of hydrogen, and after removal of hydrogen, that is utilized for the synthesis of or reduction of oxidation process. ये oxidation process. And here what happened? The NAD reduced to NADH2. NAD coenzyme reduced to NADH2. This process takes place in the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. Citrate dehydrogenase enzyme, isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme, and isocitric acid converted into oxalosuccinate or oxalosuccinic acid. Oxalosuccinate or oxalosuccinic acid. Here only oxidation takes place. There is no decarboxylation. It means only hydrogen released and NAD reduced to NADH2. Hydrogen utilized for the reduction of coenzyme NAD2 NADH2. Oxalosuccinate or oxalosuccinic acid. It is also how many carbon compound? 6 carbon compound. Now up to this process there is no decarboxylation. Only oxidation process takes place in the Krebs cycle, and here NAD reduced to NADH2. Now here what happened? This oxalosuccinic acid undergo decarboxylation. Only removal of carbon dioxide, CO2. In the presence of decarboxylase enzyme, carbon dioxide released and form alpha ketoglutaric acid. Alpha ketoglutaric acid or alpha ketoglutarate. This is the 5 carbon compound. एक कार्बन निकल के गया. ऑक्सलोसक्सिनिक एसिड में का एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकल के गया, तो क्या हो गया? अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड in the presence of decarboxylase enzyme. This reaction is catalyzed by decarboxylase enzyme removal of carbon dioxide. सिंपल प्रोसेस है. यहाँ एक क्या हो गया, पहले ऑक्सीडेशन, बाद में डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन. अब ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकल के गया, बराबर है. अब ये अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन. हियर दूसरा ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन. एसिटाइलेशन में ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन था और दूसरा अभी यहां हो रहा है ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन ड्यूरिंग कन्वर्शन ऑफ द अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड इनटू सक्सिनिल कोएंजाइम ए. सक्सिनिल coenzyme A. Here what happened? The carbon dioxide released and simultaneously hydrogen released. That hydrogen utilized for the reduction of NAD to NADH2 in the presence of coenzyme A, which react with the 4 carbon compound succinate and form succinyl coenzyme A. During this process what happened? Oxidative decarboxylation takes place. यहाँ एक ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन हो गया, एसिटाइलेशन में एक ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन हो गया था, और एक क्या हो गया, ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस हो गया. So such type of alpha ketoglutaric acid converted into succinyl coenzyme A. Now this succinyl coenzyme A undergo conversion of succinic acid. Succinic acid. This succinic acid, during this the formation of succinic acid, what happened here? This 4 carbon compound succinic acid into succinic acid by releasing same compound, the compound क्या रिलीज हो गया यहाँ coenzyme A for further successive reaction coenzyme utilized. यहाँ 1 पायरुविक एसिड है तो दूसरा पायरुविक एसिड आएगा. एक पायरुविक एसिड एंटर हो गया क्रेब्स साइकिल में तो यहाँ सक्सिनिक एसिड तैयार हो गया. सक्सिनिल कोएंजाइम ये कन्वर्टेड इनटू सक्सिनिक एसिड. कितना इजी है ये. ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस व्हाट हैपन, द एनर्जी रिलीज्ड, दैट एनर्जी इज यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ GDP into GTP. It is equivalent to ATP. सिंपल प्रोसेस है. यहाँ भी थोड़ा ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया है. किसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया है? सक्सिनिल कोएंजाइम A undergo oxidation, release energy. That energy is utilized for the synthesis of GTP, inorganic phosphate. GDP प्लस इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट रिएक्ट हो गया और यहाँ क्या हो गया? GTP तैयार हो गया. guanosine triphosphate equivalent to ATP. Now this 4 carbon compound succinic acid converted into fumaric acid. This converted into fumaric acid. During this process what happened? This 4 carbon compound as converted into fumaric acid by oxidation process. Here what happened? The FAD, flavine adenine dinucleotide, FAD reduced to FADH2. Here there is one type of coenzyme. Succinic acid may converted into fumaric acid. Fumaric acid, during formation of fumaric acid, the oxidation process takes place and FAD converted into FADH2. Fumaric acid. Now this fumaric acid converted into malic acid by addition of water molecule. here what happened? The water molecule added form malic acid. Form malic acid. Malic acid. This is also 4 carbon compound. This malic acid or malate undergo oxidation process, and hydrogen released, that hydrogen utilized for the reduction of NAD to NADH2. And this whole process occur in the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme, malate dehydrogenase enzyme. And here what happened? This cyclic process takes place known as Krebs cycle. ये है Krebs cycle, इसे कहेंगे Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. Observe, in the Krebs cycle, decarboxylation takes place at two places. यहाँ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हो गया, यहाँ एक, और यहाँ एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हो गया. यहाँ जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हो गया, ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन, यहाँ सिर्फ आप कार्बोक्सिलेशन, और यहाँ एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हो गया. ओके, तो एक पायरुविक एसिड पूरा क्या हो गया? डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन हो गया. साइमल्टेनियसली ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस होता है ना. इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस होते समय क्या होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जब रिलीज ये ऑक्सीडेशन होता है तो हाइड्रोजन रिलीज होता है, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होता है तो कार्बोक्सिलेशन प्रोसेस होता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलेज एंजाइम, डीकार्बोक्सिलेज एंजाइम. एडिशन जब होता है कार्बोक्सिलेज, रिमूवल होता है तब डीकार्बोक्सिलेज एंजाइम. So here what happened? In the Krebs cycle, oxidative decarboxylation process takes place, and how many NADH2 molecule formation takes place? यहाँ एक हो गया है, बराबर है, यहाँ एक हो गया, और यहाँ एक हो गया, 2 हो गए, यहाँ 3 हो गए, और यहाँ 4 हो गए, बराबर है. When one pyruvic acid enter into the Krebs cycle, how many NADH2 formation takes place? 4. तो 2 एंट्री करेंगे तो 8 हो जाएंगे, और ये NADH2 कितने हो गए होते यहाँ? 1. 2 एंट्री करें तो 2 बनेंगे. तो यहाँ Krebs cycle में 2 pyruvic acid एंट्री करे तो 8 NADH2 मॉलिक्यूल तैयार होते हैं. 8 NADH प्रोसेस आकर ड्यूरिंग oxidative decarboxylation. बराबर है? Continue. So here what happened? In the Krebs cycle, 2 pyruvic acid entered and form 8 NADH2, 2 FADH2. And this whole process studied by Hans Krebs. Hence it is known as Krebs cycle. और ये citric acid है जो ट्राइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, इसे इसलिए बोलते हैं TCA cycle. Such type of process occur in the stroma of mitochondrion. Thank you.